Hi everyone, it's 31st December, the last day of 2025, and this year will always remain special to me because I have celebrated my golden birthday. No, I'm not 50 years old, it's just that I have turned the same age as that of my birth date. 25 years old on 25th October and specially in 2025. And to highlight this golden year and make you aware about one prestigious silk in sericulture, here is this video on 25 fascinating facts about the golden silk. So let's go. The pride of Assam, Muga silk, also known as the golden silk of Assam and the golden treasure of India. The term Muga in Assamese literally means the golden yellow or amber color reflecting its hue. India is the only country producing Muga silk, and India holds this unique monopoly of producing all four types of commercially important silk: mulberry silk, Muga silk, eri silk and Tassar silk. Muga silk is endemic to the gateway of Seven Sisters, Assam, and the nearby northeastern states. The golden silk is obtained from Muga silkworms Antheria assamensis. Muga silkworms are semi-domesticated, and unlike the mulberry silkworms, they are reared outdoors on the host tree. These silkworms feed on the leaves of host plants like som and solu and spin cocoons from which the silk is obtained. Muga silkworms are multivoltine, completing 5 to 6 generations in a year. Annually, there are 6 Muga crops named after the Assamese seasons. Among them, Kotia and Jetua are the commercial crops whose cocoons are used for obtaining silk. About 4,500 to 5,500 cocoons are required to produce 1 kg of Muga raw silk. The length of the silk obtained from one Muga silkworm ranges from 500 to 600 meters. And to make one Muga silk saree, 1 kg of raw silk is used. One fully grown host tree can yield up to 1,000 cocoons per year, and around 5 trees are required to produce 1 kg of silk. Muga silk has got natural golden luster that intensifies with time. These are the Muga cocoons from which the silk is obtained. The cocoon size ranges from about 5 to 2.5 cm in size. They weigh about 6.3 gram per cocoon, and the shell weight is about 0.5 gram. Muga silk is the costliest commercially produced silk in the world. The price of 1000 Muga cocoons is above 3,500 rupees, while 1 kg of raw silk is about 20,000 rupees. Cost of famous Mekhala Chador varies from 35,000 to up to 1 lakh or even more than that. Muga silk received its geographical indication tag in 2007 and the GI logo in 2014. Muga silk exhibits superior thermal stability. The major decomposition occurs above 300 degrees Celsius, higher than most of the natural silk. The density of Muga silk is 1.30 gram per centimeter cube, slightly lower than the mulberry silk. If the human body is covered with Muga silk, it can reduce the harmful effects of UV rays by up to 85%, providing natural sun protection. The first official record of Muga silk dates back to 1662, mentioned by the European traveller Jean-Baptiste Tavernier, who described a special silkworm found on trees in Assam. And the silk are good, but the people produce little more than they require to use, referring to the Muga silk. Muga culture flourished during the Ahom dynasty and became the symbol of royalty. Suwalkuchi village in Kamarupu district of Assam is one of the largest weaving villages in the world, famously known as the Manchester of the East. The Mekhala Chador made of Muga silk is not just a clothing, but an emblem of Assam's culture, history and artistry, worn during Bihu, weddings and most important ceremonies. Mahatma Gandhi once praised Assamese weaving, saying, "Assamese women weave fairy tales in their clothes." Muga silk is not just a fabric, it's a living heritage, spun by nature, preserved by culture and worn as pride. These are the 25 fascinating facts, but the pride of Muga silk is infinite. If this video made you proud of Assam and Indian culture, do like, share and spread this golden story. And do not forget to wish me on 25th October. Bye-bye.